My topic of discussion is reflex physiology. So the reflexes are automatic subconscious response to changes within or outside the body. Reflexes maintain homeostasis. It means autonomic reflexes, heart rate, breathing rate, blood pressure, and digestion. And number second is reflexes also carry out the automatic action of swallowing, sneezing, coughing, and vomiting. Reflexes maintain balance and posture. For example, spinal reflexes they control trunk and limb muscles. And reflexes for eye movement also. And then there is a reflex arc. So what is the reflex arc basically? The reflex arc governs the operation of reflexes. Nerve impulses follow nerve pathways as they travel through the nervous system. So simplest of these pathways, including a few neurons, constitutes a reflex arc. And reflexes whose arc pass through the spinal cord are called spinal reflexes. So here is the diagram. So if I talk about in Urdu, अगर हम किसी भी गर्म चीज़ को मतलब टच करें, ठीक है, फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास तवा हो गया, ठीक हो गया, तो हमारे पास रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं, हमारे पास वार्मथ रिसेप्टर्स होते हैं. उनको हम क्या कहते हैं वार्म रिसेप्टर्स को?
थर्मल रिसेप्टर्स.
थर्मल रिसेप्टर्स. तो ठीक है, वो थर्मल रिसेप्टर्स हमारे पास होते हैं. तो हम उस गर्माइश को महसूस कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, वो क्या क्या चीज़ आ गई? रिसेप्टर्स आ गए, ठीक है. ये रिसेप्टर जो इम्पल्स होगी या जो ये स्टिमुलस है, ये किसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे? ये हमारे सीएनएस को ट्रांसफर करेंगे, ठीक है. और वहां से हमारा एक रिस्पॉन्स आएगा इफेक्टर की तरफ, ठीक है. इफेक्टर क्या चीज होती है?
जो एक्शन शो करता है.
मतलब इसमें मसल्स आ जाएंगे,
ग्लैंड्स आ जाएंगे.
तो ये इस तरह से होगा कि फिर हम ये जो रिस्पॉन्स आएगा इसकी वजह से हम अपना हाथ पीछे की तरफ खींचेंगे. ये जो सीक्वेंस है ये सारी रिफ्लेक्स आर्क है. So the parts of the reflex arc are receptor, they detect the stimulus. And if we talk about the description of the receptor, then the receptor end of the particular dendrite or a special receptor cell in a sensory organ. So its function is, they are sensitive to a specific type of internal or external change. So then there is a sensory neuron, they conveys the sensory information to CNS, which includes brain or spinal cord. So dendrite, cell body, and axon of a sensory neuron, these are included in sensory neuron, and their function is to transmit nerve impulses from from receptors to CNS. So then there are interneurons. They are actually the communicating neurons. Okay, so they are relay neurons, and they have dendrite, cell body, and axon of a neuron within the brain or spinal cord. And their function are they serve as a processing center, conducts nerve impulses from the sensory to a motor neuron. It means they are communicating neurons. Okay, and then after the interneuron, there are motor neurons. They conduct motor output to the periphery. It means to the effectors, which include gland, muscles, all that. Okay, then effectors, they are muscle or gland, and their function is to stimulation by the motor neuron and produces the reflex or behavioral action. And then there is a diagram which shows all this process of a reflex arc. Then we have types of reflex arc. These are stretch and deep tendon reflexes. For skeletal